I'm close to 500,000 miles, and this has been just fine for me. Hey everybody, just wanted to do a quick video. I looked on YouTube and tried to see if there's any videos already. If it's already well covered, then maybe I just shouldn't cover it, but dealing with the air filter in the air box, didn't really see anything for 10 to 12 Ram 6.7s, and just wanted to go through it and show you what I do to change out the air filter. So with the 10 to 12, they are going to be different latches than 13 and up. I have some friends who they have 13s. There's a 14, and then one person has an 18, and they have, I believe it's Phillips screws that go there. Instead, for us, for my Ram 12, you've got these little latches. You just unlatch and then break it loose. There, they kind of go in those little back little hinges there, and then you're able to just pull it out. I use Fram filters, real cheap, nothing that's too restrictive. This has quite a bit of miles on it. It's fairly dirty. I'm going to go ahead and replace it with this. Fram says that every 12,000 miles we're supposed to be changing these things out. For me, I don't really go by that. I go by the look of it. How bad is it? How clogged up is it? I really don't want my turbo eating a lot of dirt, and so I just kind of go somewhere in between. If at the worst, I'll go up to 15. But sometimes a lot less. They're so cheap on Rock Auto or Amazon that it's just so much, to me, worth it to go ahead and change them out earlier. So for me, buying air filters like this, generally I buy in bulk. I buy 5 to 10 at a time from Rock Auto or Amazon, and really just try to I know I'm going to have the truck. I know it's going to be fairly quickly. I can go 10,000 miles a month, or even sometimes more, depending on how hard I'm running. And so these air filters, it's potentially one a month, maybe less if you're a little more strict about it. But for me, at this many miles, it's just so worth it to me for my application to actually be really strict and just really put it into action quicker. So once you've got the old one out, it'd be good to just go through there, look inside, see if there's anything you need to scrape out of there. You might need to maybe take like a wire brush or something to brush some things out, if that would be a help, and then put in the new air filter. Get the new air filter going in. With these two snapped on and in place, it's secure. The back sides, the little arms that shoot through there, they're on the other side, so it's all secured. Not going to have any problems with openings there. I just wanted to close up the video, and hope you guys have an easy time working with your air filters. Hope this will be a help, and until next time, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of my stuff. I'll be posting as often as I can. Anything that happens out on the road that I experience, I'll document that as well, and hope you all have a good day.